For most teenagers, their most prized possession is their cell phone. Well, a Smith County judge knows this and is threatening to take them away if teens are caught vaping. Many parents are asking, is this even legal? News 2's Tori Gessner joins us now in studio to explain. Tori?
Well, Bob, not only will this ruling let the court take away a minor's phone for a period of time if they're caught vaping, but the ruling requires their parents to strictly enforce the no phone rule, or they could be held in contempt of court. Taking court to the classrooms. Some say a Smith County judge is playing parent in a new ruling. Attorney Grover Collins says the order is likely legal.
In juvenile court, there's a lot of latitude for the judges to do this sort of thing, correct problems before they happen, right? That's the whole juvenile system. We're trying to get it out in front of it, and it looks like the judge here is just trying to get out in front of it.
In the ruling, Judge Brandon Ballar says minors are vaping at an unprecedented rate. He calls out children and their parents for having no respect for school administration or police. Now, if kids are caught vaping and convicted, the court will take away their cell phones for a period of time.
So it's important to note in the code is if this person's under the age of 18, that conviction or imposition of a penalty would go to the guardian or the parent. So the parents need to be aware of this as well.
Parents could be held in contempt of court if their kids use a phone during probation. State law says law enforcement can take a vape or tobacco product when a minor is caught with it. Then they get a ticket to go to court. Tennessee law lets local governments add on other penalties, a $10 to $50 fine and 50 hours of community service max.
Now, while it's not explicitly in the state law laid out that the judge can take away a cell phone, I think it would be well within the discretion of that judge to be able to do something like this.
Despite that, the ruling has some parents riled up. Many worried if their child is in danger, they wouldn't be able to call for help.
Cell phones are used for a lot of things, and obviously for a teenager or anybody in school, they're attached to their phones. But at the same time, it can be a safety issue as well. Like, what if you're going to and from school and you don't have your phone? And I think the fact that having a phone would be a violation of the court order, to me, there's some danger there.
District Attorney Jason Lawson says many juvenile judges have made similar rulings as a condition of probation. Bob?